It makes a difference when you have good counsellors as a member of parliament. Let me give you an example. Today has been a really hectic day for me. Started out very early in the morning, headed to the hills of Santa Cruz with Maurice to look at a road that we are trying to get repaired. Joyland, I'm talking about your road, finally. I'll give you an update on that later on. Left from Santa Cruz, headed to Thornton, where we've actually commenced road work on the Thornton main road. Long story short, it's just been a very hectic day, and you know that today is the day that we're also doing the healthcare and medical for Braze River Division. We did one in Balaclava before, one in Silo, Thornton, Burn Savannah, and now we're doing one in Braze River Division. But the truth is, I've been so busy that I just didn't have time to organize or to do anything at all as it relates to making arrangements for this medical. And then I get here and I see my counsel. I see Councillor Donovan Pagan, and everything is organized, everything is perfect. Remember, you know, this is short notice. It's yesterday I tell him that we're going to get the doctor and the team to come in and do the medical. So it's not like him have a lot of notice, and I was super busy yesterday as well, so never have a chance to put anything in place. But when you have a counsellor who supports you as a member of parliament, who now sit down and wait for you to tell him to do X, Y, or Z, you know, then come in like, man, yeah, they just know say something to do and they just go do it. I have counsellors like that in northeastern St. Elizabeth. So because of that, things have flowed so smoothly here in Braze River, because I have a counsellor who made sure that he spearheaded things, get the necessary team in place. Big up yourself, Miss Weller, Miss Kit. Thank you all for the support. Thank you for rallying around at such very short notice. And most importantly, thank you to Dr. Wall for volunteering his time, his resources to come into northeastern St. Elizabeth today. Today they were able to see roughly 83 persons in the community of Braze River, and we are so thankful. You can see that from that short notice, with so many persons coming out, you realize that the need was there for this kind of service. So I'm very happy for that. But the truth is, I am super I just feel a sense of gratitude today, because right now I'm sitting in Don P's vehicle because I didn't eat from yesterday, and I get here in Braze River and I feel like I'm going faint. And I said to him that I feel like I'm going to drop down, and he's like, Zulieka, I have food for you in my car. So him tell me to come hide out in my car and eat some food. But the point is, I am so very thankful that I have counsellors who support the work. And the truth is, I'll be honest with you, you get more out of your member of parliament when you have a hard-working counsellor. When you have a counsellor who is going to help to carry the cross and bear the burden and make representations on your behalf and call your MP and tell your MP that this road needs to sort out or this person needs some assistance. They keep you updated, they make you know what is going on in the various communities, and then when you actually get things to come into the community, they run to the front of the line and say, me first, we help carry the load there, me first, we put things in place, me first, we make sure that all the arrangements are made so that people can actually get benefit that they need. Thank God for hardworking counsellors. And I'm not just referring to my own counsellors here in Northeast. I want to say thank you to all of you as counsellors, those of you who are working hard to support the work of the members of parliament, especially us as first-time MPs who need all the help we can get, because we have been dealing with a catastrophe that is just unimaginable, and there is so much that we're carrying right now. So when we have people who help us to carry the load, it makes the world of a difference. It means that residents can get more help. It means that, you know, you can get more done because many hands make work lighter. So pick up yourself, Don P, pick up yourself, all councillors. I haven't named all of the councillors in my own constituency because I don't want to get in a problem, but I do have some very hard-working councillors. So this is a gratitude post. It's a post asking you to help me to acknowledge the work that our councillors are doing and to say thank you. We appreciate it.